Imagine this. You launch two precision-guided bombs at the exact same time, while the enemy is actively jamming your GPS signal, and both bombs still hit the target. Dead center. That's exactly what Turkey just demonstrated. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to MMC Defense. Baykar's AKINCI drone just fired two TOLUN-P munitions in a simultaneous salvo under real electronic jamming and hit a perfect bullseye. But what actually allowed this weapon to ignore that jamming? We'll get to that in a moment. First, let's understand what TOLUN-P really is. Baykar and Aselsan conducted this salvo test with the AKINCI drone, firing two TOLUN-P munitions at once in an active electronic warfare environment. The result? A full, accurate hit. Now let's break down exactly what makes this weapon capable of that. TOLUN-P is a precision-guided munition developed by Aselsan. Its warhead was designed by munitic Sage. It belongs to the wider TOLUN family, which also includes a bunker buster variant and a fragmentation variant called TOLUN-F. It falls into the 250-pound weapon class. On paper, that might not sound huge, but this gives it enough destructive power while still letting the aircraft carry multiple munitions on one mission, instead of just one heavy bomb. But here's where things start getting really interesting. TOLUN-P uses an integrated ENS and GPS guidance system called ANSKKs, and to survive jamming, it's fitted with the KARETTA anti-jam GNSS system. In the recent test, it hit its target accurately, even with 7 active jammers running in the environment. And that's exactly what modern electronic warfare is designed to stop. Even if the enemy tries to block the GPS signal, this weapon is built to keep navigating accurately anyway. Range depends on the launch platform. Fired from a fighter jet like the F-16, it can reach up to 55 nautical miles. That's over 100 kilometers, well beyond visual range. Fired from a UAV platform like the AKINCI, the range is about 31 nautical miles, 57 kilometers. In practical terms, that means the launch aircraft can stay far outside the range of enemy air defenses while still hitting the target precisely. One of the smartest parts of this system is the SADAC-4T rack, a smart pneumatic quad rack that lets a single aircraft carry up to 4 TOLUN munitions at once. On paper, that's just a mounting rack, but in combat it means one aircraft can hit 4 separate targets in a single sortie instead of going back for more weapons. It can also be carried independently. In that case, it's called TOLUN-C. TOLUN-P isn't locked to just one aircraft. It works with the F-16, the AKINCI, the Anka-3, the Baykar TB3, and even the Kizilelma. That means the same weapon can be used across multiple Turkish fighter jets and combat drones without needing a completely different munition for each platform. So coming back to that opening moment, firing 2 munitions simultaneously under active jamming and still scoring a direct hit proves this isn't just a single-shot precision weapon on a clean test range. It's built for real combat conditions where an enemy is actively trying to break its guidance link and it still gets through. If this test reflects real battlefield performance, TOLUN-P could become one of the most important precision weapons in Turkey's growing arsenal. So here's what I want to know. Do you think this changes the balance of modern drone warfare? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.